Meaning of Fathers for Justice.
Fathers for Justice.
Fathers for Justice.
Fathers for Justice.
Fathers for Justice. Fathers for Justice is a UK-based fathers' rights organisation that campaigns for the rights of fathers in family law matters. They protest against what they perceive as systemic bias against fathers in family court rulings and emphasize the importance of maintaining strong relationships between fathers and their children. The group is known for its high-profile stunts, such as scaling public buildings and dressing up as superheroes. While their methods have been controversial, they have succeeded in raising awareness about fathers' rights issues and sparking important conversations about family law reform.